Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will create a placeholder for image to store the record in the database. So we need to add a column here for feature image. So we will go here in the column and click on add new column. Here we will name it feature image and it will be varchar max, or we can use nvarchar max, whatever you want to do. It is optional. Either a person can use feature image or they cannot upload feature image according to their requirements, so that's why it will be nullable. Now click here and generate script. Here is the script, and click new and I will execute this. Now I have a dynamic column added there. Okay, now when I will execute this, here we have feature image. Now what I need to do, I will go to the procedure and modify that. Add a variable feature image. Oops, not this. Copy this feature image, and when insert the record within the database, I will add feature image here and also place the variable here. Now when I will insert any record, it will be appear here and inserted. Okay, it's successfully binded. Now what we need to do in the controller action for the insert, here is the insert. We need to add that variable. Copy this, and here we have, we also need to add that variable in the model. So we will go to the model here, we will add a string, and that's it. And now you can see it's a valid one. What we need to do more, we need to fetch the record from the front end or either from the back end. How it will be possible? Here you can see when it is uploaded successfully, we can return the file target path in the response like this. So this path will be sent in the response to this, and it is associated here. So when it is executed, we will get that path here. Okay, one thing more, what we need to do, here we have that model. We can right now add a feature image having a null value, but we can also get that value here. Response. Okay, console this response. That's it, and when it is executed, we will get that response here. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and in the next tutorial we will complete this life cycle to upload the image and save a reference in the database. Take care, bye bye, have fun.